Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of English first of class third. Hope you all are doing good at your home. Students, today in this video of grammatics, I am going to give you lesson number 8, 9, 10. In my previous video, I have completed up to lesson number 7. So, not further delay, open lesson number 8. Lesson number 8 is the adjective. And first of all, what is adjective? An adjective is a word that adds some things to the meaning of a noun. एडजेक्टिव एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो नाउन में का ही मीनिंग उसमें ऐड करता है. हियर यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल्स. शोभित इज़ एन इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट. तो इंटेलिजेंट इज़ एक एडिशन है नाउन में, तो वो बता रहा है शोभित एक इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट है. देन अर्चना इज़ अ प्रिटी गर्ल. गर्ल इज़ अ नाउन एंड प्रिटी इज़ द एडजेक्टिव. सो इन दिस वे एडजेक्टिव इज़ हेयर. नाउ नेक्स्ट द काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. So first is adjective which tell us of what kind of person or thing are called adjective of quality. किस तरह का वो person है कि उसकी quality बताते हैं, जब हम उसे adjective of quality कहते हैं. So अरविंद is an expert driver. तो expert है वो अपनी driving में. So here is the expert is adjective of quality. Same as rose is a beautiful flower. Beautiful is the adjective of quality. Now adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, you can see the definition on next page here. Adjective which tell us how much of thing is made are called adjective of quality. So in कितना मतलब thing है, कितनी चीज़ है, उसको हम adjective of quantity कहते हैं. तो quantity कितनी है, some, much, enough, any, all. So these are the adjective of quantity. So you can see the example on next page here. देयर इज़ सम टी इन द फ्लास्क. सो वी कांट काउंट टी. सम है ना, कितनी है, थोड़ी सी है, तो सम टी हो गया. एंड देन देयर इज़ अ मच वाटर इन द बकेट. सो दिस इज़ द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. नाउ नेक्स्ट एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. सो here you can see few students are students we can count, 20 trees, many people है ना. so these are the adjective of number. okay students, now demonstrative. Here you can see demonstrative adjective are these, this, that, those. adjective that point out particular person or thing. जब एक particular person के बारे में हम बात करते हैं या किसी चीज़ particular चीज़ के लिए, तो उसमें हम उसे हम demonstrative adjective कहते हैं. These, that, those are the adjective. okay, now come on next page. Exercises. Here you can see demonstrative and demonstrative adjective. Pronouns or demonstrative adjective. you can see this is my pen, this pen is mine. ये adjective है, this pen is mine. जब हम एक thing के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं particular. okay, and these are my books and these books are mine. so this is the difference between demonstrative pronouns and adjective. I hope you all get the explanation also in your live class. so exercises I will give you in another chapter. Here you can see the first exercise of this chapter. First is the fill in the blanks with correct adjective of quality. Select the word from the help list. Student, help list you will not get in your exam, so you all have to prepare it yourself. The first question is a langur has a dash tail, long. Next, there is a deep well in our villages. Always eat fresh fruit. The lion is a dash animal, wild animal. English is my favorite subject. okay, now here you have to pick out the adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Your first day had enough exercise, so answer is enough, and Q you have to write here because this is adjective of quantity. There's some coffee in flask, some quantity. Then she didn't eat any rice, any quantity. Most boys like cricket, most number. William Shakespeare, many dramas, many number. He doesn't have much money, much quantity. There are 50 students in this classroom, 50 number. okay, now come on next page. There is a little hope of justice, little quantity. She committed several mistakes, several number. Step back, 7 packs, 7 number. Now demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun you have to search out. This is my uncle. This adjective of pronunciation. Here you can see demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. These boys are very naughty. These adjective. Here you can see demonstrative adjective. So pronoun or adjective you have to search. That house is that adjective. Then those people are my neighbors. Those adjective. That is a good picnic spot. That pronoun. Now next, this you can do with the you have to search 24 adjective I have written here. You can see and take a screenshot to write all these. Now come on next page. Same as joy drill. Write an adjective in the list. List is here. You can see here. So with the help of this you have to fill it. But as I told you, list will not come. You have to learn it. There is a dash star at the top. You can see in this picture. With the help of picture you have to do this exercise. Big gold, then bright silver. The light on the trees are bright silver. The candy comes on the trees look red yummy. We hung 6 beautiful ornamental of the tree. The tree is tall green. So student, your lesson number 8 last remaining. There are 4 wonderful presents under the tree. So your lesson number 8 is completed. Now come on lesson number 9. Here, comprehension of adjective. It is related to the degree. Degree means positive degree, comparative degree. I hope you get the explanation of this chapter in your life class also. And here's the definition. You can see an adjective is the positive degree refers some quality in a person or thing. It is used when we make no comparison. जब हम कोई किसी में कंपैरिजन नहीं करते, ये क्वालिटी बताता है किसी भी पर्सन की. कोई कितना छोटा है और कितना ज़्यादा वो छोटा है, कितना बड़ा है कितना ज़्यादा बड़ा है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज़ कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. कंपैरिजन नाम से ही आप समझ जाएंगे. जब हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं दो लोगों में तो हम इस डिग्री का यूज़ करते हैं. और इस डिग्री को यूज़ करने के लिए व्हेन वी राइट इट वी यूज़ मोर और ER. कहीं पर हम एडजेक्टिव के आगे मोर यूज़ करते हैं. एंड हेयर वी पुट ER यूज़ करते हैं. हेयर यू कैन सी टॉलर. टॉल होता है ना, तो टॉल में ER लगा के ये उसकी कंपैरेटिव डिग्री बन जाती है. देन इज़ द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सो हेयर वी पुट EST मीन्स सुपरलेटिव, टॉलेस्ट, okay, and longest. So these are the positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Now come on the exercise, you will get it. These you have to learn it. It is the internal exercises, you have to learn it. Clean, cleaner, cleanest. These are the degree. Students, if it will come in your exam, so you all have to do it carefully. Okay. Now come on the exercises. Here, your first exercise is here. राइट द कंपैरेटिव में सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. आपको कंपैरेटिव में कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ही लिखनी है, सुपरलेटिव नहीं लिखनी है. ओके, सो हेयर योर फर्स्ट इज़ और सुपरलेटिव में सुपरलेटिव ही लिखनी है, कंपैरेटिव नहीं. मीन्स कंपैरेटिव में हम ER यूज़ करते हैं, सुपरलेटिव में EST एट द एंड ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव. हेयर यू कैन सी एबल, एबलर, एबलेस्ट, ब्राइट, ब्राइटर, ब्राइटेस्ट, कोल्ड, कोल्डर, कोल्डेस्ट, safe, safer, safest. So in this way you can do it. You can take a screenshot to write all this. Now come on next. Here also fill in the blank with the correct degree. Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. He has less money than his friend. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. Gold is more expensive than silver. Your painting is better than your friends. The Ganga is the longest river to India. Kavita is an intelligent student. Mumbai is the biggest city of India. This is a bad habit. Ramesh is more active than his friend. Same as here, you have to underline the correct adjective in the brackets. You can take a screenshot, students, to write all this. Now come on next. Here, with the help of this picture, you have to find out the correct adjective of these words. Boy, so here I've written young boy. Big car, here you can write also red car, so that is also adjective. Now busy street, red light, road, old man, yellow bus, black cow, smart girl. The next is underline the adjective that make each sentence correct. A car is faster than a cycle. The elephant are the largest of the all animals. The sun is brighter than the moon. The cat is smaller than the dog. You have to compare, joy drill, you have to compare here which is tall. Here you can see Aman or Pradeep. Aman. Tushar Sanaz hair short. Whose hair short? Tushar. Same as Sanju's older. Kush is noisier. Now next page. Shopping mall is bigger. Blue pencil is longer. Rabbit is faster than tortoise. And then book is heavier than paper. Okay, so your lesson number 9 is over. I hope you all get the exercises of this chapter. Now lesson number 10. Lesson number 10 is the article, the use of a, and the. So स्टूडेंट ये आपने सेकेंड में भी करा होगा, सेकेंड क्लास में. So we will continue with the exercises of this chapter, a and the. As you know, where we use n or a, and we use in the start जो word वॉवल से स्टार्ट होता है. एंड द वॉवल्स आर ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. उसके आगे हम एन का यूज़ करते हैं, और जिनमें साउंड आती है वॉवल्स की उसकी आगे हम एन का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके. एंड द कॉन्सोनेंट्स, जो वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होते हैं अदर देन वॉवल्स, उसके आगे हम ए का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड दोज थिंग्स आर बिगर एंड यूनिवर्सल, सो देयर वी यूज़ द. से एग्जाम्पल, द ताजमहल एक ही है और बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है. फेमस थिंग्स के आगे हम द यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट इज़ हेयर यू कैन सी एन एडवोकेट, अ बेंच, अ डजन, a long time, an emperor, an uncle, an oven, a hospital, a pencil, a doctor, an orange, a park. Now next page. A garden, an enemy, a foe, an umbrella, an angel, an order, a bottle, an error, a kangaroo, a zoo, a queen. In this way you can take a screenshot to write all this. Elephant, a ticket, cup, injustice, a picture. Here you can see, and हमने कहाँ यूज़ किया. Here you can see umbrella, U is the vowel. जब vowel से स्टार्ट होता है वर्ड तो उसके आगे हम n का यूज़ करते हैं. जब कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होता है, here you can see B, bottle. So bottle is a consonant, so here we have used A. Now come on, fill in the blanks. A, N or the. The Nile is dash longest river in the world. So the Nile is the longest river in the world. The Taj Mahal, because Nile is the only river and the longest is the superlative degree, so we have used the. The Taj Mahal is World Heritage Monument. Miss Kavita is a kind lady. There was an orange in her hand. The earth moves around the sun. Mary borrowed a book for her school library. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range in the world. One day Seema saw a girl weeping in the park. Almost every family in our country owns a TV. A lot of people are coming to the meeting. Now next, put A or N in the boxes. An ant, a xylophone, a mushroom, an egg. Here you will see one next page. अ हैमर एन आर ग्लास. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ आप कहेंगे कि मैम यहाँ तो कॉन्सोनेंट है, आपने एन क्यों यूज़ करा है. बिकॉज स्टूडेंट साउंड इज़ कमिंग ऑफ ओ. आर ग्लास, ओ की साउंड आ रही है, सॉरी आर की ए स्टार्टिंग में. सो जब वॉवल की साउंड आती है तो हम एन का यूज़ करते हैं. ओके. देन सेम एज अ फ्लावर, एन आउल, एन इग्लू, अ कार, अ यूनिफॉर्म. यहाँ वॉवल है तो यहाँ ए क्यों. यूनी में वाई डबल ओ, वाई यू की आवाज़ आ रही है तो वाई की आ रही है, दैट इज़ अ कॉन्सोनेंट, सो हेयर वी यूज ए. ओके. एन एम्ब्रेला. नाउ नेक्स्ट, हियर यू कैन सी एन एप्पल, अ काइट, एन आउल, अ कैंडल, एन अम्ब्रेला. अगेन ऑल द वर्ड्स यू कैन डू इट. So students, your exercises of lesson number 10 is over. Up to lesson number 10 I have completed. You have to prepare it for your half yearly exam well. Today you can do your work very well. Thank you. Have a nice day. I will meet you in my next video. Take care.